In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files and folders in OneDrive. This is a crucial skill to have, especially when you accidentally delete something important. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and we'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you never lose a file again. First, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. This is essential because your OneDrive files are tied to your account. Navigate to the Microsoft account page and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll spot the Apps Launcher icon, typically located at the top left corner of the page, next to the Microsoft logo. Click on this launcher to expand the suite of Microsoft apps available to you. Next, from the list, select OneDrive. Clicking on OneDrive takes you to the home page where all your files and folders are stored. It's a centralized location, kind of like a virtual filing cabinet where everything is organized and easy to access. Once you are in OneDrive, you'll need to locate the recycle bin. It's usually found on the left navigation pane. The recycle bin in OneDrive functions similarly to the one on your Windows PC. It's a temporary holding area for everything you delete. After opening the recycle bin, take a moment to scroll through the list of deleted files and folders. Here, you can select the items you wish to recover. You can select multiple files or folders by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on each item. This allows you to restore several items at once, saving you time if you've accidentally deleted multiple files. With your items selected, you'll see the Restore option. Clicking on Restore will send the selected items back to their original locations, just like putting a book back on the shelf at a library. This feature ensures that everything goes back exactly where it belongs, preserving your previous organization. It's important to note that the recycle bin retains deleted files only for a limited period, typically 30 days. After this period, items are automatically purged, so it's essential to act within this time frame. Moreover, if you choose to permanently delete items from the recycle bin, they are gone for good. Microsoft has designed this as a fail-safe option to help avoid irreversible losses. And there you have it. You can now confidently restore any mistakenly deleted files or folders in OneDrive. Remember, checking your recycle bin regularly and restoring items promptly can prevent potential data loss. Keep these steps handy and never worry about accidental deletions again. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more tech tips and tricks.